This segment of DelmarvaLife is brought to you by Key Financial Services.
The best laid plans. Most of us know how that quote ends. Today we're flipping the script because when it comes to your retirement, your preparations don't have to go awry.
Especially not when you have the help from the team at Key Financial Services in Berlin. As we learn from DelmarvaLife's Katie Zarrilli, even this volatile market, your third chapter dreams can still come true.
A yearly cruise on the open sea. A second home in that picture-perfect location. Quality time with the growing grandkids. Retirement goals come in every shape, size, and scent. Colin Maycumber of Key Financial Services says, no matter the price, what's crucial is having a plan.
Something where you can see that you do have the money to retire and still have that, reserved nest egg for the trips or home repairs or whatever it may be for you.
And this is the place to prepare that plan. Curtis Maycumber and his kids, Kristen and Colin, are here to help folks focus on the future.
Our focus as a firm here would definitely be retirees and those starting to think about retirement.
They're currently assisting both retirees and those close to it in navigating a volatile market. That's due to the market correction and increased interest rates.
So it kind of created this perfect storm because, usually people try and manage their risk with bonds. But when interest rates come up, those bonds lose value as well.
Colin says because Key Financial Services takes a more conservative stance, their clients are less impacted.
Anytime we're doing any sort of plan, we're always going to overestimate the bad, underestimate the good, just because that's an easier conversation to have.
Another conversation they have to have with clients once they reach retirement is that it's okay to spend money.
You'd be surprised how many retirees we have to kind of hold their hand to start spending some money. Because, they saved for 30 years, they've lived on this budget, and that's all they know. But that's the whole point of getting to retirement, is that you can do those fun things.
Curtis says it's about having both a paycheck and a play check.
The paycheck's got to be there to pay your everyday expenses, the rent, the mortgage, whatever it may be, food, insurances, and things like that. The play check money is more for the fun, the boats and the trips and the things like that.
No matter what your goals are for both the pay and the play, starting to save sooner rather than later is ideal.
The best advice would be start saving for that dream or that plan, and, set up an account for it and really just, pay yourself first with that and make that a priority.
And it's never too late to get a professional involved.
At the very least, you're going to get a second set of eyes on it that will tell you what you're doing is good. If not, we might be able to make some recommendations to just kind of optimize the plan, even if it is in place.
This is a team full of faces you can trust.
I've got two of my kids in here, plus Gage and Nate and Megan and Matt. It's a very tight-knit organization. We're very tight with our clients. They'll drop off cakes and things for us and vice versa.
And you can't forget about this friendly face.
We have Stella. She's a 1-year-old rescue. She's got a lot of different breeds in her, but she's very friendly, loves people. Usually she's sitting on her couch and just kind of wags her tails when they come in. And she's taken the role as our greeter over the past year or so here. And most of the clients seem to really enjoy her.
And with Key Financial Services' help, they'll enjoy the retirement they've worked for all their lives.
Key Financial Services can help you with more than just retirement. If you're traveling at all this summer or want to travel in the future, visit their Facebook page for budget-friendly travel tips. Retirement, travel.
Yeah.
Sounds like a dream. Will it ever happen?
We don't work, we just have fun.
Right.
Yeah, who needs retirement?